What is going on? It is Black Opinion the Apple Guy. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about something that I bought for my GoPro. It's something that I'm going to continue with my last video that I had, which was the 5 best accessories you can get for your GoPro. Probably should have made it 6 because I bought this. This is known as the Seeker. Basically, it is a backpack made for GoPros, designed for GoPros. It's $170. I bought it at Best Buy, and I actually thought that it would be very useful to get this because I thought, well, I'm going to be doing a lot of recording, and I'll be carrying on my GoPros, and what best way to carry them around than to get a backpack that was specifically designed for GoPros. So I'm just going to kind of do like a quick, kind of a quick show as to what you get with one of these. Again, mind you, it is $170. I bought this at Best Buy. It is designed for GoPro, so we're just going to kind of go through a quick overview of it. So, one of the things that you'll first notice about it is that it comes with a built-in strap. Now, granted, you can get one of these that I have. As you can see, I bought one of these for my backpack. It's not bad. It actually works. Again, I made this is $170 for this backpack. This was only $30 at Best Buy. You can get this for your backpack. Basically, you've got these 2 little screws. You basically just unscrew them, slide it on the strap, slide it down. That's pretty much it for $30, which is nice. But again, I primarily got this for the fact that I can pretty much put all my GoPro gear in this. As I said, it's got a strap for your GoPro, as well as these right here, which are basically your chest harnesses. It does come with a chest mount, which is not too bad for $170. Not that I would actually use it myself, but it does come with one. It's actually going to be inside the bag. The bag itself is a 16-liter bag, so that's as big as it gets. So you still have enough stuff to store, like maybe a small laptop or a few accessories like a shirt or some food. You can still carry that with it if you don't feel like wanting to add any more GoPro accessories, or you don't have a lot of stuff in there, GoPro accessories that you want to use. So one thing that I noticed that it came with was it just came with an integrated chest mount, which is kind of cool. It's not bad. I don't think I actually would ever use it myself. It does come with instructions, as you can see, that it shows you how to install it on the GoPro backpack itself. So we're just going to go through a little bit more, see what else we get. As you can see, just come with that little pack. Just come with a see-through pouch that you can stick stuff in. Also has a little pouch right here that you can open up, and you can store more stuff in besides just GoPro accessories. Again, it's designed for a GoPro, but you can kind of use it as a regular backpack as well. It is small, but you can kind of combine both at the same time. This is going to be your other small compartment, and then here, this is going to be what you would use to store your extra GoPros. So you've got 3 or 4 GoPros. You would just basically slide them in to this, and then that zips up and kind of protects it. These also unvelcro. They're velcroed in, so you can unvelcro those and use it as extra storage for something else besides your GoPros if you so choose to. It also can be used as a filtration pack, basically a hydrogen pack for Camelback, for inserting a water pack and drinking water out of it. So you're going on a long hike. You would just basically, as you can see, it's labeled right there. That would be your hydration pack. You would just basically put your water pack in that, smooth out the back, and you take that and you sip on that. It's also going to have an extension for, say you wanted to get a extension pole and you want to use that as a pole to basically record as you're walking along instead of having to carry it. It does have that right on the side here, as well as a little pouch here that you would use for basically storing like a water or a cantina or something like that. It's going to have it on both sides as well. So you have one there and then you have one here as well, as you can see. And it's also going to have a little zipper that you can basically